Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today I'm inside a 2012 Honda Civic LX. This thing has 120,000 miles, I believe. No, actually has 150. We're going to see how good this car is. We're going to go for a POV ASMR style test drive. Hope you guys are ready. Let's go. So that's right, 151,000 miles. Before we get the video started, a quick word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Nelson. Nelson sponsored the video because no one else would. He wants you to check out his Instagram and his Facebook. POV Nelson, check it out. I'm trying to hit 10,000, but I hit 2 million views. So really excited about that. Also, we got shout outs. Thank you so much to Ghost White T. Second shout out. If you want to shout out on my channel, all you got to do is comment down below. Well, actually, you got to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. Yo, Nelson, shout me out, and I will totally shout you out. All right, guys. Also, I'm looking for sponsors. So I will totally, if you want to be sponsored, let me know. Or if you want to sponsor a video, let me know. Now, back to the ASMR. It's going to be all the car from now on. Oh.
Video to load on our desktop. The internet talk, fake it till you make it, just the internet cut.